I talk to so many different food bloggers who are getting some visitors and they're getting readers and they feel like they're on their way to becoming a successful blogger. But what they really struggle with is figuring out how to make a living from their blog. They're using ad networks and affiliate links and sponsored posts and trying everything that they can think of, but it's just not growing their income as fast as they wanted to. And that's where I come in. I'm Jason Logsdon from Making Bacon and Amazing Food Made Easy. I've been making a living by blogging for over a decade now, and I believe that providing massive value to your fans is the easiest way to grow your income. And in this channel, I share what's worked for me over the past decade so you can find things that are going to work for you. There are a lot of reasons you might want to grow your income. Maybe you're just looking for another grand or two a year that's going to help supplement your family budget. Or maybe you're looking to turn it into a full-time job, so you don't have to go to the office every day for 40 or 50 hours a week anymore. And maybe you just want to give yourself the financial freedom to spend more time with your family and do the things that you love. Regardless of the reason, there's a point in many bloggers' lives where they want to turn their blog from a hobby into a business. And if that's you, and you're ready to get serious about starting to maximize your blog, I hope you're subscribed to my channel so I can start helping you grow your income, serve your fans, and get the most out of your blog.